Hey guys, and welcome back. Just wanted to let you know I got tiered up. I will be putting a clip of my little tier up button here. I'm super excited for that. I wish it had come a little bit earlier so I could have targeted more of that Halloween niche, but now I do have a bunch of slots open for the Christmas season, so I'm hoping that you guys fill them. Now, if anyone else got tiered up, make sure to comment below and let me know if you did. So now, since I've gotten tiered up, I'm at about 60 uploads per day. Now, that in combination with my Etsy shop, my part-time job, and my company, which thank you guys so much for supporting Healthy Hound if you have. I will be launching that soon, and we're actually pre-launching, expanding product line. So everything's been a little bit crazy for me. But with my 60 uploads per day, it is starting to become a little out of my control of reaching it. I don't think I can do 60 uploads a day. Now, if I did, I would get to that extra 500 products pretty quickly. But I am going to try and start using automation tools. So as I learn how to use these automation tools, guys, I will bring you along with me. If you guys are still in low enough tiers to do the uploads yourself, I still recommend doing that. I am still doing research on the best niche finders, but right now is the best time to target cryptos, Halloween costumes, which that might be pretty much over because people won't get them in time for Halloween, Christmas things, New Year's shirts, and I'm trying to think what else is good to target. That's pretty much all I can think about. I do have, this week you can see that I've sold 5 shirts, and I kept these up since last year. So Boner Donor, I'm sure you guys have seen the movie Hubie Halloween. So these Boner Donor shirts were really big, and these Karen shirts were also really big. Now I went in, and I don't know why it's not showing right here in this title, but I already went in it earlier this season before the Halloween buying started, and I just edited the title to say 2021. So you can leave everything the same, except change the title to 2021, and typically people will type in funny costumes 2021 and that will come up. So like I said, if your products have sold, try not to take them off of Amazon. Now, if you need that space to fill other slots with other good niches, just write down on a sheet somewhere or in an Excel tablet what shirts have sold that you've removed. Now, I don't really keep tracks of the shirts that I removed that have not sold, and again, I am waiting for some genius person to create this publishing and unpublishing thing so you don't have to completely delete a design off of it in order to put more on. I just want to click right here and click unpublish and have my slots go down to 499 filled so I can publish something else. And then once I get tiered up, I would like to come here and click publish. I think that's something that all of us would love to have. Now I know I'm pushing Ryan so hard to find someone or to create it himself, crossing my fingers that it all works, because that would be a huge addition to any platform, paid or not paid. I would pay for that product 100% myself, doesn't matter what tier I'm in. But overall, guys, just wanted to pop on here, let you know I got tiered up, thank God. And now I got my little funny looking green monster, and he's called a graphic genius. Woo! And just another thing, for people in low tiers, I've sold this shirt a couple of times. I'm going to go in and change the pricing to actually make a profit. But this is a great way of showing you that simple text-based designs, I have no idea where this is from or why people buy it, but people buy it. So simple text-based designs sometimes do work. So, I mean, clearly the goal of these earlier tiers is not even so much to make sales. That is a component, but the goal of these earlier tiers is to keep getting tiered up so that you can have more products, which means more visibility and a higher chance of selling a product. So overall, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to click the like, the subscribe, and comment below, guys. I would greatly appreciate it. Hope you have a good one.